I'm out in the field right now testing the Ruko F11PRO 2, a new drone I picked up to expand my photography options and to get some really good aerial imagery. I've only had this drone for a few weeks now, but I wanted to give you my initial impressions and show you some of the footage that I've captured so far. The out-of-the-box setup is incredibly easy. Download the app, connect your phone to the controller, which automatically connects to the drone. The takeoff is simple. Simply press the 2 joystick buttons in to start the engines. And then just up on the joystick and you're flying. I was immediately impressed with the flight capability, especially the ability to stay in a fixed position even while hundreds of feet in the air. For example, right now the drone is hovering a little over 200 feet, the camera is in a fixed position, and the drone and the gimbal is keeping the image so stable, it looks like the camera is mounted on a tripod. The manual controls are easy once you get used to them with the joystick, and the video quality is amazing. I have it set to 4K right now, and I'm getting some really awesome footage. There's a lot more you can do with this drone. I've experimented a little bit with flight follow and the return to home modes, but it's going to take me a little bit more practice to get really good at the controls and the automatic flight options. I'm leaving soon for a long multi-week hike in Europe where I hope to get some really good aerial imagery with the Ruko F11PRO 2. I'll follow up when I get back on my longer term experiences with the drone and share a little bit about my trip, but for now, that's all I have. So again, thanks for watching.